Welcome to our channel, where we're about to take you on a thrilling journey into the world of espionage and innovation. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil a collection of incredible spy gadgets that will leave you in awe, from hidden cameras to high-tech communication devices. These gadgets are designed to defy imagination and push the boundaries of what's possible in covert operations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us as we delve into the realm of secret technology and the latest updates from the realm of innovation. Dragonfly Insectotopter. The Dragonfly Insectotopter is a fascinating historical project developed by the CIA in the 1970s. It was a robotic dragonfly designed to fly up to 200 meters and deliver glass pellets that could be used to eavesdrop on conversations. The concept was to use lasers to detect vibrations caused by sound waves hitting the glass pellets, thus converting light into sound. However, the project faced challenges in real-world conditions, including wind interference that affected the dragonfly's flight. Ultimately, the project was not successful and was abandoned after significant investment. Live stream Wi-Fi glasses. These inconspicuous glasses come equipped with an HD camera that can record video and stream it over Wi-Fi to the internet. The design is aimed at providing a discreet way to capture and share live video footage. The glasses can be connected to a smartphone for easy surveillance, and an additional mini earpiece can be purchased for two-way communication. This technology could find applications in various fields, including security and communication. Digital Car Plate is a smart license plate that incorporates GPS tracking technology. It offers a convenient and quick way to complete vehicle registration online, allowing users to customize fonts and image backgrounds for their license plates. The GPS tracking feature can be especially useful for tracking vehicles' location, making it easier to find in various scenarios, including security and law enforcement applications. The plates are currently allowed in several US states. Smart Window Tint. Smart window tint technology involves applying a film with liquid crystals between layers of glass. By applying voltage, the position of the crystals can be changed, altering the transparency of the glass. This technology allows users to adjust the level of tint in their windows, providing privacy and shade when needed. It has various applications, including in cars and office spaces such as conference rooms. Night Watchman Listening Device. The Night Watchman Listening Device is designed for discreet dropping on conversations from a distance. It has a range of over 100 meters and features noise-canceling technology to ensure clear audio quality. The device also includes a monocular with 8 times magnification, allowing the user to observe the target while listening to their conversation. This device is suitable for private investigators or individuals who need to gather information covertly.